Introducing the tarm 3. The tarm 3 is a high-end show laser with full analog modulation and RGB color mixing. The tarm 3 has a guaranteed output of 3 watt, consisting of a 1 watt red, 0.9 watt green and a 1.7 watt blue. It has a beam divergence of just 0.6 millirad and a beam diameter of just 4 millimeters. The laser has a maximum scan angle of 50 degrees and 45 kpps scan speed at 8 degrees as standard. An optional Cambridge Technologies CT6210 scanner upgrade using the amazing laser animation TurboScan driver is available to push the limits and expand the scanning capabilities to 60 kpps for complex graphics works. Attached to the tarm 3 laser is a 270 degrees rotating mounting bracket. On board is also a connection for interlock in and through, a scan fail safe switch, a safety key switch, ILDA in and through, network in and out with an inbuilt network switch, DMX in and out via 5-pin connector, and power in and through are part of the comprehensive range of connectivity and safety features in each tarm unit. An optional Pangolin FB4 interface can be installed in place of the ShowNet laser mainboard to allow Pangolin software control of the tarm 3. The tarm 3 offers a number of control modes. As standard, they are fitted with an internal ShowNet laser mainboard that can be controlled via ArtNET using Show Editor or Show Controller computer software, DMX, ArtNET, or any ILDA laser software. Using the inbuilt ShowNet laser mainboard, it is also possible to set projection zones and specify safe zones for use in all operation modes and store them to the mainboard. It is also possible for users to upload their own frames and animations to the internal memory of the laser for triggering them via DMX like you would do with gobos. You can also operate other functions such as color balancing and geometric correction. Sliding output window blocker, which is useful for both transport and physically limiting your scan area. With ShowNet, it is very easy to control multiple units by DMX and take advantage of effects generators as with other lighting fixtures. The tarm 3 offer excellent performance and value. They are lightweight and offer class-leading output for both beam and graphic projections with sharp, strong beams and vivid colors.